Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today is Makeover Monday, so we got to do something that's partly healthy, I guess. And it has been forever since I've used my, I want to call it an Instant Pot, but mine's actually a quick cooker. Same thing though, pressure cooker. So I wanted to do something in here. We have Thanksgiving coming up, and I had some cranberries I needed to finish using. I only used a couple the other day for my drink, and I think I used a couple to photograph with, so I need to do something with these. So that left me with sugar-free cranberry sauce. Last week we made a cranberry drink, and we also made a cranberry jelly, but it wasn't the type that you eat. It was the type that you put on toast or a bagel. So this is actually going to be the type that you eat, but we're going to do this sugar-free, and we're going to do it super quick. So I have, before I get started, if you're new here, my name is Cheri, and I love food and fun. So if you love the same thing, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, as well as the notification bell, and check the description below. You can find details on how subscribing helps to feed the hungry. So I had a full bag of these. I think there's 12 ounces in a bag. I don't know. I used a couple for a drink, and then I used a couple for a photograph, and this is what I have left. So it's almost a full bag, but I'm guessing that's 12 ounces. I don't have the bag to look at, so. All right. 1/4 cup of water we're going to add to this. We're going to add, a teaspoon or so of vanilla, half a teaspoon or so of cinnamon, and then just about a teaspoon of orange zest. I don't know if this is a full teaspoon or not, but that's about all the zest on this orange. So we'll just say the zest of 1 orange. All right. So we are going to add some sweetener to this, but we are going to wait until our cranberries are cooked. And you can use any kind of sweetener you like. I have stevia, I believe is what I'm using today. So a full cup of that. But again, we are going to wait till the end to put that in there. So I'm going to replace my lid. And then I am going to put this on high, and we're going to cook it for just 3 minutes. So it'll take a little bit longer though, because it needs to build the pressure. But the cooking time is actually going to be just 3 minutes. Okay, our cranberries are finished, and whenever you're using a pressure cooker, you can release the steam one of 2 ways. You can either do a manual release where you hit the button and the steam comes out, or you can just let it sit and it will naturally, you can do a natural release. After about 15-20 minutes, it'll just dissipate. So that's what you want to do with this particular recipe, is you just kind of want to let it sit for a little bit. So it has been about 20 minutes or so. So it should still be hot. There we go. Yes, they are still steaming. And so you'll know that they're cooked because all the little cranberries have kind of popped. So I'm just using a potato masher, and we're going to mash these a little bit. And then we're also going to throw in our cup of sweetener. And then once all of our cranberries are mushed up and all of our sweetener has dissolved, that's pretty much it. We're pretty much done. But you do want to let it cool off a little bit. There is something about the smell of cooked cranberries I don't particularly like. It's like peach cobbler. I don't like the smell of it either when it's warm. I do actually like peaches, but anyway, if you want to make this even smoother, I mean, we've broken down most of our cranberries, but if you wanted to make it even smoother, you could put this in a blender. If you wanted to make it even thicker, you could turn your quick cooker or your Instant Pot on the Sear setting and, just cook it until it gets a little bit thicker. But that's just about it. So I am going to taste this, even though I don't particularly like it warm. I just want to make sure that I don't need to add any more, vanilla or cinnamon or anything like that. Isn't it such a pretty color though? All right, let's give this a try. I'm going to like that much better when it's cold. It is good. It's still really tart though, even though we put a lot of sweetener in there because it's sweetener and it's not sugar. I don't know that it balances out the tartness as much as it normally would. But if you're doing, keto or something like that, you got to give it a try because it's perfect for, a low carb diet. Anyway, I thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you all have a wonderful Thanksgiving. I'll see you next time. Bye.